Okay, good afternoon guys. Today I'm going to make tiramisu fruit salad. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need 1 piece of red apple, 1 piece of green apple, fruit cocktail, bruwas, and then 2 teaspoon coffee powder, and then 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk, and then 1 pack all-purpose cream, and then 1/3 cup cream cheese using a whisk. Cream. So, coffee powder. And then the fruits. Okay, we're gonna add the apple, green apple. Okay, green apple. Apple. Ako na nag-drain, guys. Okay guys, so this is our tiramisu fruit salad. That's our tiramisu fruit salad, guys. It's done. It's super yummy, guys. Okay. Oh. Okay, so that's our tiramisu fruit salad. And now it's tasting time. It's yummy. Fruit salad is done, and it's super yummy. Okay. Okay, so that's our tiramisu fruit salad. It's done, and it's super yummy. The powder, coffee powder, it's when you pair this one, cream cheese, condensed milk, because it's tiramisu fruit salad. So, I put 1/3 cup cream cheese, 1 pack all-purpose cream, 250 ml, and then 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk, and then 2 teaspoon coffee powder, 20 pieces cocktail, and 1 piece green apple, and 1 piece red apple. So this is it. And it's super yummy, guys. That's our tiramisu fruit salad. It's super yummy. Test again. Please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.